All right, folks, check this out. It's a Harben jetter truck, diesel engine, pretty serious pump. Take a look at this guy right here. I got this from some guys at Staten Island, New York, somewhere there. They had these truck on Facebook for a long time. I always had my eye on it. I don't need it really. Well, kind of, because now I'm thinking about it, I probably have some use for it. It works. Everything works here. There's nothing wrong with it other than maybe some water leaking here and there. Nothing really major, and these are the type of projects I like, it's being neglected a little bit, but not too far gone, So a few things to do here. First of all, it's a paint job. I hate the color, so I'm gonna paint these white, get the ViperJet colors on it, and I'm gonna have it done professionally. I think he has, the whole body's here, so we can make this truck look really nice. So it's gonna be white, and these pieces right here, the lights, all these trimming, bumper, this little stuff here is gonna be black. So it's gonna be a nice black and white truck. I'm gonna get you videos on that. Gotta replace these things with LEDs. Lamps look okay. Maybe 2 fog lights over here. Gotta grab the high-low and pull these back. The bumper there took a hit. Make sure these rims get painted nicely, and all these back area here, I'm gonna make them scrape these out and then repaint it. Get the rust out of here. Well, the best to the best they can. Just try to clean it up and then put the red Rust-Oleum primer on it, and repaint it. Can use some power washing. Here's the inside of it. Not bad at all, just needs a little cleaning. Hope you can see. Okay, we got these 2 nozzles right here, and I think the truck has 113,000 miles. That's not bad. That's not bad for a Duramax Japanese diesel engine, I think. I have no idea this engine was made in Japan or China or something like that. I thought it was American, but nope. See all this trimming over here. Get it nice and painted black. Make sure everything is detailed. It needs a bunch of lights. I'm gonna change that to LED. All these things on the side, they're all smashed right here too. I'll put the same type. These are pretty tough, look, because if you don't get to the plastic portion on it. I don't know how they smashed the other one. It must have been a good hit. It had to be a really good hit. And here's your hydrant filter. That's pretty cool. He just has a hose attachment here. Antifreeze, it's a must where we're at, even though I keep my truck to the side, but it's just good to have. This thing's got a little plumbing job over here that we got to get fixed, and it is pretty simple. I mean, the pump looks really good. The motor, I have to service. I gotta, it's nice that he has all his information, stickers. I can find out stuff about it and then just get the filters and parts. I was told by the guy that Harben still sell parts for this truck. It's a 2007, I think, so that's a good thing. So let's see what else. So let me tell you how it operates. Not gonna start it now because I'm inside here. It got cold outside and I got the heater on. So it's got about, I don't know, 3/4 half-inch hose, kind of thick. Probably gonna end up changing this. Okay. probably gonna end up changing this. This here swivels. This will be the locking for it. And you can swivel this around. Just gotta grease this up here. Grease it up nice. And you'll be able to you know, swivel that really nicely. Alright, so this is pump on, pump off. Your unloader here, if you want more volume of water going in or less. So basically the way you control this jet is pump on, unloader, work it with the unloader and the throttle depending on the nozzle you have on at the time. So working this way, having them so close to each other, you can control pressure and volume so much better. I can put a 1/4 inch nozzle in this and be able to send the right pressure to the hose, you know, to the head. That's what I'm saying. So I like that about it. Everything is pretty simple and exposed. You know how much I like simplicity if you watch my videos. So up there, I'm gonna put the baddest LED flashing bar light you'll probably ever see. So stay tuned for that. And maybe some working lights here and there. It's a lot of little things that need to get done with it. It's a 4,000 pound, 26 gallon a minute, I believe. So that should be, you know, enough for what I need it for. And then you're probably asking, what is it that you need it for? You already have these things. I said, well, you know, we do a lot of maintenance work. We have a bunch of restaurants that their lines are back pitch. They produce a lot of grease and they need to be jetted monthly, bi-monthly, every 6 months type of deal. So that's why I'm thinking I'm going to use this truck. I'm going to use this truck for the regular maintenance, for the preventive maintenance. We have about close to 100 preventive maintenance contracts out there that, you know, that we got to go there and jet the line once a month, once every 2 months or something like that. And the cool part about this is that, you know, with my Urban Warriors, I only carry 180 gallons of water. Wait, 160 gallons of water. So every job you go to, you have to fill up. And that is the inconvenience. And sometimes in the winter time, they have the outside spigots closed. So in order to get water, you have to have access to the property, go inside, open the valve, fill up your jet, do the jetting, go back inside, turn off the valve. These are all time consuming things. When here you have 600 gallons of water, you can clearly do 5 locations, 10 locations in half a time. You know, you're saving the time of having to pull your garden hose out and fill up your jet using the Urban Warrior guys with 160 gallons. You know, that's just a so time wasting thing. So you got 600 gallons pushing really, really good pressure and what you may call it, and gallons per minute. Don't forget also that you're doing preventive maintenance. You're not going to be running a crazy pressure. You're not going to be running crazy pressure, crazy water. What are you doing on preventive maintenance? I'll probably do 2,500 gallons. I mean, 2,500 pounds at 2,000. You know, which will make these 600 gallons here last a lot longer. So that is the plan for this truck. And I love it. I think it's a cool looking truck. It's nice. It was well maintained. And I'm gonna take you on this little project here. I think it's gonna look sick once we paint this truck white and it's all nice and shiny. Put the reflectors on, clean everything, the wheels, paint, just paint everything nice and black. And look at this thing we have over here. You know, you can put anything here. You put reels, shop vac, just anything. I mean, I can even put this freaking rigid box I have up there doing nothing. I can probably mount it right here and just keep a bunch of things here. But we already have all these boxes too. But just saying, you know, this is like an insane amount of real estate that of stuff you can put in. Well, I guess you could put the manhole hooks and the rods and the plastic baskets. You know, you name it. You can probably put tons of stuff here. The engine looks really easy to service. There's the oil. Cheers. There's the oil plug right there. Filters, air filter. There's really nothing much. Pretty easy to service. Everything is just right there. So I like that. I really like that. Is a hydraulic for the pump. I do have the hydraulic that these pumps uses. So it's a serious pump. I mean, 4,000 gallon is more like more than I'm comfortable with working with. I like to work with less than 3,000. I try to work with less than 3,000, I guess, but hey, sometimes you need the pressure, get further and things like that. It also has a pulsation ability, so that's also available. And we gotta get these out of here. Just remove this, put a nice ViperJet logo on there, maybe phone number right along the side. And the plan of advertisement back here, you gotta have some advertisement back in this area. Not much room, but I'm gonna see if I can try to get mud flaps with my logos on, or we can even put a aluminum plate right here and put something, you know. You got a traffic light, people wants to write your number, you know. You got to look at all those little details in the business, you know, that gets the phone to ring, you know. Why miss anything, you know? Just cover all the avenues. All right, that's it. So I'll say I got to register first. This will take me about 4 to 6 months. It will definitely be ready by summer, maybe late July. I'll have these ready, and I'll shoot another video. Talk to you later.